the first video series for BCom 3rd Sem Computer Applications. Let's have a glance with the syllabus. The first module is Introduction to MS Excel. The second module is Working with MS Excel. The third one, DBMS, Database Management System. The fourth module is MS Access. The last one is MIS, Management Information System. Compulsory case study question of 15 marks is from Module 4, that is MS Access. Module 1, 2 and 4 are practical oriented. Let's begin with the first module, Introduction to MS Excel. In this module, we are studying basic fundamentals and concepts of electronic spreadsheet using MS Excel version 2007. Spreadsheets. A spreadsheet or worksheet is a file made up of rows and columns that help sort data, arrange data easily, and calculate numerical data. Spreadsheets are basically general, financial, statistical, business, engineering, and mathematical calculation purpose working sheets made up of many grids that are created by the intersection of rows and columns. This indicates that it's in the form of tabular format or table format, which is in the form of matrix format where various type of calculations can be performed. An individual grid we call here a cell. It consists of columns, rows and cells. Each cell of a spreadsheet may contain numbers, characters and mathematical expressions. Apart from that, even we can enter alphanumeric data, date, time, symbol, formulae can be entered over here. Each cell is referred to by a cell address. A cell address can locate a cell in a spreadsheet. A cell address is created by mentioning name of the column first and then the name of the row. This indicates that identification of the cell or the location of the cell is provided by the column name first, then the row name or row number. Column name, column name, or it can be a row number. In this Excel window, Excel file is called as a workbook. Workbook contains one or more worksheets. Then what is worksheet? Worksheet or a sheet is a single page where we can write, edit and manipulate data. In simple way, we can just call here collection of worksheets will make one workbook. In this worksheet, columns are alphabetically named and rows are numbered. To find the address of a cell or a location of a cell, for example, the arrow is pointing towards C and the another arrow is pointing towards 5. To find out what will be the cell address or location of a cell, then this will be C5. That is column name first and the row number or row name. This is an area where this will tell regarding about the location of a cell, which we call here name box. Right now it is pointing to C5. Suppose if I just select for column D and row 2, then name box will display D2. This indicates that name box will display current cell address. If I select for column A and row 1, then this will display A1. Next is limitations of conventional spreadsheet. Due to manual entry, the processing will become slow. As we have number of columns and rows per sheet are limited, even number of cells also will be limited. Managing and storing of data is difficult to carry out in case of conventional spreadsheet. Even we have limitations relating with analyzing of data, summarizing of data. If any modifications are to be done or corrections or deletion, each time user has to go for a new sheet. These are some of the limitations. Next is the definition of electronic spreadsheet. An electronic spreadsheet will be integrated software that enables us to perform various types of calculations in a systematic and easy way. It's an application software which allows the user to perform various types of calculations which are relating with arithmetic, statistics, logical, date, cubic, engineering, many more in a systematic manner. Next is advantages or features of electronic spreadsheets. The first one is the interfacing of the programs is menu-based, and menu-based programs allow easy interaction. Because this supports for GUI, apart from that, in case of menu bar, it consists of a drop-down list or a pull-down list. From the pull-down list, they can select for the particular option. Whereas in case of 2007, the design structure has been changed. It is in the form of tab format. Once we click on a tab, a particular ribbon will be opened. A ribbon contains groups and the group contains the commands. Once we start with the practical part, we will come to know regarding about the structure. The next one, number of cells or grids are sufficient. Therefore, large and complex calculations can be managed very clearly. From the version 2007 and later versions of Excel, we have around 1,048,576 rows and 16,384 columns. When we have so many number of rows and columns, we can perform simple, large and complex calculations in a systematic manner. Next one, electronic spreadsheet offer tools to perform a number of calculations ranging from engineering to finance and from business to mathematics. This indicates that we can perform various types of calculation. It can be of arithmetic calculations, statistical calculations, financial, logical, date and time, text, engineering, cubic, many more. They offer even simple calculations ways for the user in a very less time. Automatic recalculation facility of spreadsheets allow easy modifications in the data, and accordingly we obtain automatic change in the original result. This means that it ensures that spreadsheet data is always up to date. In this mode, in which all the cells are recalculated whenever a value changes, this means that when inputs are changed, automatically the output will be changed where the formula is inserted. This is one of the important feature. Other advantages of electronic spreadsheets are They allow user to work on multiple spreadsheet files, for example, during comparison. Apart from comparing the data between the sheets, even we can add the numbers from different sheets or worksheet also. Not only from different worksheet, even we can perform calculations from different workbook also. It is also used for analyzing the data if the data is available onto different worksheet. Even we can consolidate the data from one or more worksheet. They allow easy linking facility via OLE, that is object linking and embedding. This means that we can insert the contents from different application programs, like it can be a Word file, Excel file, PowerPoint, or an image or picture. Next, they allow user to draw various types of charts or graphs. Charts are nothing but graphical representation of tabular data. We have various types are available like bar chart, column chart, pie chart, stock chart, radar chart, and many more. As this is electronic, no paperwork is involved. If user has to take any printout, then by doing some changes in the page setup, they can go for taking hard copy printouts. They allow all the formatting features similar to document processing software, like it can be font size, number formats, cell border, cell shading, bold, italic, underline, many more. The last one, utilizing electronic spreadsheet allows the user to insert or create charts in a very less time. I mean hardly within few seconds or few minutes they can create it. Some of the examples of spreadsheets are Lotus 123, Quattro Pro, MS Excel, which is there for your syllabus, numeric spreadsheet, Kspread, Zcubes Calci, Lotus Symphony, Resolver 1, Multiplan, VP Planner, SoftCalc,